spiders. What is it about them that makes them so fascinating? And so frightening, all at the same time. Did you know that you can classify spiders by the kind of web that they build? Well, according to the internet, you can. Here's a pretty common type of web you've probably seen before. It's roundish and it looks like the spokes of a bike tire. It's called an orb web. An orb web can capture around 250 insects every day. There are 3,122 species of orb weaving spiders. Look at this one. See how it's similar to the orb? But since it's got this triangular shape, it's called a triangle web. There are 15 spider species that make this type of web. This web, this is a funnel web, and the 1,200 species that make this type of web will generally hide out right in that center hole. It offers food and protection to the spider. This one's called a tangle web, and this is the one a lot of people call a cobweb too. You can see it's got kind of a messy, random construction to it. They're usually found inside, and there are over 2,200 spider species that make this web. Now, if you see what looks like a tangle web on the outside, it's probably a mesh web, and there's only 560 species that make this kind of web. 2,000 species of spiders make a sheet web. These hammock-like structures are more horizontal than other webs and often drape over grass, bushes, or other structures. Now that you've got all that spider web information, I want you to do two things with it. Over the next week or so, I want you to really be on the lookout for spider webs and see if you can identify what kind of web they are. And for now, I want you to put these spiders in order from least to greatest in your math journal. Make sure that you answer the question clearly, that you show all of your work, and that you explain your thinking. Here's the data again. Don't forget you can pause it if you need more time. Share your journal with your math teacher for feedback, and I'll see you next time on our next math journal journey.